Hello everyone. Welcome to CSTechbook HTML Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about HTML text editors. Before we learn, I'd like to thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let us learn HTML text editors today. HTML text editors. What is a HTML editor? HTML editor is a software that helps us to create HTML codes. HTML editors allows us to enter raw text, which is then manipulated as web page and web browser. Most of the web developers uses editors to create and maintain their websites. Why text editors are used? Text editors makes the page authoring much easier. Some text editors allows us to use tags and attributes without knowing the code. But advanced HTML editors provides us more support for the latest web technologies. But all HTML editors don't create the similar codes, they have their own style and format. What are the types of editors? Basically there are two types of text editors. 1. WYSIWYG editor. 2. Textual editor. What is WYSIWYG editor? WYSIWYG editor is acronym for What You See is What You Get. This is a type of editor provides an editing interface which shows how the code actually looks on a working web page. People using this editor does not require any HTML knowledge. People with less coding experience can use this editors. What is textual editor? Textual HTML editors are text-based. We should type the text in the editor, then it works. This requires the HTML coding knowledge by which we can write the code to execute it in the web browser. This have more freedom and personalized options. Only drawback is we can't see a live preview of the site. Each time we have to refresh the web page to see the changes. Text editor for Windows operating system. 1. Notepad. How to write and execute HTML code with Notepad. 1. Open the Notepad and write the sample code. 2. Save the file with HTML extension. 3. Open the file in the web browser. Text editor for Linux, Mac operating system. 1. Vim editor. How to write and execute HTML code with Vim editor. 1. Open the Vim editor and write the sample code. Write a HTML program with OpenHTML and closed HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag write the head and body tags in open and closed format. And inside the head tag declare the title open and title closed tag. Inside the title tag write new web page. And inside the body tag and paragraph tag write this is my first web page. Save the file as page1.html. Always save the HTML file with .html extension. Now go to the saved folder and access the page1.html file in the web browser. What are the other famous text editors? 1. Notepad++. 2. Sublime Text. 3. Atom. 4. Adobe Dreamweaver CC. 5. Visual Studio Code. Let's us learn about another new topic in the next video. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video. Bye.